Let's talk about cash injections in your business and why you need them, what they are, and then how to implement them in your teacher business. I'm Alissa McDonald. I am an educator turned marketing and launch strategist for teachers, and I want to talk to you about cash injections, and here's why. Most teachers who start an online business start their business out and they see a little bit of success and they get really, really excited. And then the next month, it's like all a roller coaster. They've seen some success and then they dip right back down and they're not making any money. And then maybe the next month they're making money again and the next month back down. How do we avoid this up and down in our business and turn our business income into something that we can count on? I refer to this as consistent cash, and it's kind of the gold standard. It's how you know you've made it in the online business world when you have consistent cash coming in. The way to do that is to make sure that you've set up your business in a way that you have injections of cash purposefully planned into your business model, along with some evergreen marketing strategies that are going to keep your income really steady and going. So we need a combination of this steady stream of income and these kind of like bumps in the road, right? To kind of keep us going. So today I'm talking the bumps in the road, the cash injections. How can we purposefully inject cash into our business? It's actually a lot easier than it sounds, don't worry. It's all these crazy marketing words, this marketing jargon, but it's really very simple. All you need to do is to think about how can you strategically plan your marketing to create hype around one product or one offer at a time. So I help teachers who typically sell digital products on sites like Teachers Pay Teachers. They maybe have a knowledge product like a course or a membership or a workshop. Maybe they have a service, they are a freelancer, they have a freelance business, or maybe they sell physical products. It is a matter of getting your calendar out and choosing one product or one offer to focus your marketing efforts on for the month. Or maybe if your product or offer is a little bit higher priced, you might focus on that for the entire quarter, or maybe just have one per quarter that you focus on. And the rest of the time, you're just doing kind of your evergreen marketing strategy. Whatever you choose, the frequency at which you do your cash injections, that's up to you. How often do you need that cash injection? What does your overall income look like? And where do you need these little pops of extra money? Now, if you're a TPT seller, you probably already naturally have cash injections when TPT runs a sale. So you're used to making money during sale times, right? Because TPT is having a sale, so I'm having a sale, so everybody's going to make a little bit more money. The thing is, you can plan out your own promotions, but they don't always have to be sales. Remember that step one was to choose a focus product or offer for that month or that quarter. And then the second step is to think about how can we create urgency around people buying that product or offer from us? There's a couple ways to create urgency. One is the one I just mentioned, which is having a promotion, but we don't want to have promotions all the time. So another way you can do this is that you can add a bonus. You can give some of your people, extra value when they purchase your product during that particular time of hype. I'm going to call it a launch. I don't want to scare you away, but what we're doing here is we're really planning out live launches. And these live launches will give us these little boosts of cash that our business needs to sustain over time. And so when you are choosing a product to focus on, and then you are creating a bonus to offer around that live launch time, maybe it is a week within the month or a week within the quarter that you're really focused on marketing that product. And that whole time, if somebody purchases the product, they get the bonus too. That creates a sense of urgency. It helps them make a decision, helps them get off the fence about purchasing from you, and helps them just take action. The third thing we want to think about when it comes to cash injections is what is the marketing effort going to look like around that? Let's say you get out your calendar and you say, okay, the first month in March, I am going to promote my Podcasting with Kids bundle. I am going to offer a special bonus to anybody who buys that week. Now, the next part is thinking about what does my marketing strategy look like? How am I showcasing that product? How am I creating marketing content that helps meet people where they are to help them understand what they need to know to be ready to buy that thing? And so this comes down to just really understanding your ideal customer, who is right for that product, where are they hanging out, and what do they need to hear or see or be reminded of before they are ready to purchase that thing. And it's about really concentrating your marketing efforts around that product and around what your people need to hear when it comes to that product that can create that true cash injection. Your challenge now is to think of something that you want to try this cash injection strategy out with. Think of a product or an offer that you would like to create hype around. We're going to live launch. Even if that product's not new, you can still create a launch environment by kind of adding that excitement, maybe even do a giveaway, something really fun like that. You know, you're teachers, you've got that part. So put it on the calendar. When are you going to live launch that thing? What does the marketing strategy look like during that week? And then give yourself a cash injection goal. How many sales do you want to make in that week? And see what you can do to help hit that goal. Maybe it's doing a new collaboration. Maybe it's trying out a new visibility strategy. There's so many ways that you can make this cash injection a really big deal for your business. So let me know in the comments below how this plays out. I want to know how your cash injection goes. I hope that you can meet all of your goals. I know that you will. You keep it simple and get it done. If you want more help with marketing during your cash injection, during your live launch, I want you to click the link in the show notes below. I have created springtime swipe files just for teachers. You can take those, grab them, use them. They are email subject lines, blog post ideas, social media captions that you can take and use. Enjoy those, keep it simple, and get it done.